Hi friends, this is my lab experiment number 1 in Unix. The first question is create a directory with your name. I'm going to create my directory with my name. With my name, the directory is created. Next, I'm going to change to the directory. I'm already created a directory called ani. Then I'm going to change my directory as ani. So my directory is changed as ani. Then I'm going to create a file called student details. student.txt. My file is created by this command. I'm going to copy all the details of the student. Here. Then I exit from the file. My file is created in the name called student. Then I am going to display the name with their register number and department. Whoever is having the electives data var. So I am going to use the command called grep data var data var, then my file name called student.txt. My elective full name is data warehouse. In grep command I am using a word called data warehouse. So my result is displayed here. That is Leela is having a elective as data warehouse. So it prints that 005 Leela belongs to CFC department having a elective as data warehouse. My next question is display the number of students who is having a elective as CAD from the student list.txt. So I am going to display the number of students. Here I displayed the name of the student. Here I am going to display the number of the students. So I am using the same grep command, cat student.txt. Then I use pipeline symbol wc Here it will show that there are two members who are having a selective as CAD. Then my next question is display the file in sorted order respective to their register numbers. I am going to display the file according to their register number. So I am using a command called sorting sort/n then student.txt. The register number is sorted according to their number wise. So the given list is changed according to their number wise. Then my next question, 7th question is create a new file called backup.txt with the same content as student. So I'm going to change the name of the student called backup.txt. So I'm using a command called cat student.txt as back.txt. So the file which contains all the details, the student details, is changed to backup. The next thing is rename the file backup.txt to save.txt. So I'm going to rename my file, which is called as back to ss.txt. So the file called back.txt is changed to the name called ss.txt. So, and my next question is, how many files are available under div? So by using these commands, we have to find how many numbers are available. Then I'm going to display my current time. So the current time is displayed by using a command called timer. My next thing is display the June month of the year 2017. My June month of the year is calculated by cal command. The number of the month June is 6 in the year 2017. So the June 2017 is displayed. Store the usernames who is logged into the system now and save it into the file. So save it into the file called user.txt by using the who command. Who user.txt. So I'm going to store the usernames who are logged into it. Then how many words are present in the file student.txt. So wc command is used. Wc student.txt. So the number of words in the student.txt is displayed here. That is totally 29 words are there in student.txt file. My next question is, find the terminal number you are using. By identifying a terminal number, you are going to use a who command. Who am I? By using a command called who am I can identify my terminal number which I am using. Then my next question is, display the content under your home directory including the hidden files. So I am using lsa. By using this lsa, I am going to display the content under my home directory including the hidden files. All the hidden files are shown. Then my next question is, create alias name unhidden from the command to display the including hidden files. I am going to display the hidden files also. So I am using a command called alias unhidden is equal to lsa. So my unhidden files also shown by this. In my directory there is no unhidden file, so it didn't show anything. Then my next question is, what is the process ID of the shell you're using? My process of the ID of the shell I'm using is, I'm going to display by using a command called ps. By using a command called ps, the process ID of this shell I am using is display. Then I am going to create 10 empty files with the extensions .txt, .doc, .jpeg and etc. Some files I am going to create a 10 files. First I am using a command called touch file.txt. Then my next one is file1.txt, file2.txt, then file3.doc, then file4.jpeg, then file5.doc. I created five files, empty files. Then I create a directory name called csc. Then move all the text files from my directory. So mkdir csc. Then I'm going to move all the files from my directory to csc directory. So mv star.txt csc. By using this command move mv, all the files from this directory, from my directory, is moved to the directory called csc. Then I'm going to check my directory by ls command. Then my last question is, display last 3 lines of the file student.txt. So by using the tail command, I'm going to display the last 3 lines of the file. Tail n3 student.txt. Then the last 3 lines of the file student.txt is displayed here. That's all my experiment, first experiment. Thank you.